Hi everyone, welcome to Iconic Chemistry classes. In this video, I am going to explain one important basic concept, mole concept. So what is mole? Mole is a unit. It is a unit to measure quantity of any substance in chemistry. 1 mole equal to 6.023 into 10 power 23 particles or ions or molecules or atoms or etc. Clear? Yeah. So this is nothing but Avogadro number. What is Avogadro number? Na. This is the value 6.023 into 10 power 23. Clear na? Okay. So first I will give formulas. Next how to find a number of moles we will discuss. Mole is related to mass of substance and volume of gaseous substances and particles. 1 mole equal to 6.023 into 10 power 23. So number of moles. How to find a number of moles? I will give formulas. Before that, what is molar volume and what is molar mass? Mass in grams is nothing but molar mass. A volume in liters, that is nothing but molar volume. Volume of 1 mole of any gas equal to 22.4 liter or decimeter cube. A mole of any substance like N2 stands for 6.023 into 10 power 23 molecules of N2, 2 into 6.023 into 10 power 23 atoms of nitrogen. Next 28 gram of nitrogen. So nitrogen molecular mass 28 gram. 22.4 liter of N2 at STP. Everybody knows STP, standard temperature pressure. What is the standard temperature? 25 degrees Celsius. What is that standard pressure? 180 in pressure. Clear? These are the basics. Okay, next important formulas. How to find a number of moles? N equal to given mass by molar mass. Given mass by molar mass. You can take like this. N equal to weight by molecular weight. For gaseous substance, N equal to V by 22.4 liter. V means volume given. अगर गैसियस सब्सटेंस दिया तो ये लेना पड़ेगा फॉर्मूला, अगर वो मास दिया तो ये लेना पड़ेगा ऐसा. नेक्स्ट पार्टिकल्स इज गिवन. अगर पार्टिकल्स दिया तो तुम ये फॉर्मूला यूज करना पड़ेगा. n by Na Avogadro number. N is nothing but number of particles. Next, how to find a number of molecules? Number of molecules formula. N into Avogadro number. N is nothing but number of moles. बोले तो number of molecules तुम find out करना बोला तो compulsory number of moles find out करना पहले. Next, number of atoms. This is the formula. N into Na into atoms. Atomicity is nothing but number of atoms per molecule. Suppose तुम N2 ले लो, atomicity कितना होते? 2 होते. अगर O2 ले लो, atomicity कितना होते? 2 होते. अगर HCl ले लो, atomicity कितना होते? 2 होते. CO2 ले लो, atomicity कितना होते? 3 होते. ओके ना? ऐसा. So number of atoms equal to N into Na into atomicity. This is the formula. ये तीनों को संबंध होते हैं स्टूडेंट्स. नंबर ऑफ मोल्स आने के बाद नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. नंबर ऑफ मोल्स मॉलिक्यूल्स आने के बाद नंबर ऑफ एटम्स फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. दैट इज द लॉजिक इन मॉलिक्यूल. समटाइम्स दे विल आस्क नंबर ऑफ न्यूट्रॉन्स. सेम फॉर्मूला N into Na into number of neutrons present in a molecule. Clear? Sometimes they will ask like this: weight of the substance. W equal to N into molecular weight. Actually this one comes from this one. N equal to weight by molecular weight. So weight equal to N into molecular weight. This is the formula. So these are important formulas. Text. Volume of substance equal to N into 22.4 liter. V equal to N into 22.4 liter. So this one comes from this one. Vapor density Vd equal to m by 2. M is nothing but molecular mass. M is nothing but molecular mass. Next, one relation is very, very important. Volume inversely proportional to molar mass, which means increase the molar mass, decrease the volume. Reagent is nothing but low n by stoichiometric value. That is the limiting reagent. Mass percentage of an element equal to into 100. This is the formula. Okay, this is the question. 1.73 gram of NH3 contains how many number of moles, how many number of molecules, how many number of atoms, and what is the volume, and how many number of protons, neutrons, nucleons, number of electrons. One by one we will discuss. Clear? Very simple. Yeah, tell me number of moles formula. First one, number of moles formula. N equal to weight by molecular weight. What is weight? 1.7 is given. What is the molecular weight of NH3? NH3 means 14. 3 hydrogens means 3. Total 17 gram. 1.7 by 17, which means 1 by 10. Okay, which means 0.1, which means 10 power minus 1. Clear? Next question. Number of molecules. Number of molecules formula. N into Avogadro number. So what is the N value? 10 power minus 1 into Avogadro number 6.023 into 10 power 23. 10 power 23, 10 power minus 1, which means 10 power 22. So 6.023 into 10 power 22 molecules. This is the answer. Next, number of atoms. What is the atoms formula? N into Na into atomicity. N into Na already completed, na? N into Na already completed. 6.023 into 10 power 22 into atomicity. NH3 atomicity. 1 nitrogen, 3 hydrogen, total 4. Should multiply with 4. 6 into 4, 24. 24 into something. That is the answer. That is the exact value. Next, volume. What is the volume formula? N into 22.4 liter. That equal to, what is N? 0.1 into 22.4 liter. You may write like this, na? 10 power minus 1 into 22.4, which means 2.24 liter. This is the volume. Yeah. Of protons to 10. Okay, na? So 10 power minus 1 to 10 cancel. Actually 10 power minus 1 is nothing but 1 by 10. So 10 you can cancel. So what is the answer? This is the answer. 6.023 into 10 power 23. That's it. N into neutrons. N into neutrons. 1 by 10 into 6.023 into 10 power 23 into. How many neutrons are there? So nitrogen, 7 atomic number, mass number 14, so 7. Next to hydrogen, there is no neutron, 7. Yeah. This is the average value you will get. Okay. Next to number of nucleons. Number of nucleons. Same logic. Na into nucleons. Nucleons means protons plus neutrons combination. Nucleons means protons plus neutrons. Protons plus neutrons. Okay. So 6.022. This is N into N. Clear? N into N. Protons plus neutrons. Protons 10, neutrons 7. Total 7. We should consider 7. Then we will get some value. Clear? That's it. Next. Number of electrons. Same formula. N into Na into electrons. How many electrons are there? Electrons nothing but same logic. Na? Electrons nothing but number of atomic number equal to number of electrons for neutral species. That's it. So 1 by 10 into 6.023 into 10 power 23 into total how many electrons are there? Nitrogen 7. Yeah, 10 electrons are there. So 10 cancel. This is the answer. 6.023 into 10 power 23 electrons. I will take screenshot. Take screenshot. Yeah. This is the way to do this type of model. Number of moles of H2SO4, number of moles of hydrogen, number of moles of sulfur, number of moles of oxygen. Yeah, this is the formula. Number of moles equal to weight by molecular weight, which means what is the weight to 98 gram. What is the molecular weight of H2SO4? Coincidentally, that is also 98. H2SO4. H2, 2 gram. Next to sulfur, 32 gram. Next to 4 oxygens. 4 into 16, total 64. Overall 98. So 98 by 98, 1 mole. Yeah. But sometimes they may ask like this, number of moles of hydrogen. No need to find, students, simple logic here. 1 mole of H2 equal to 2 mole of H. This is the key point. What is the key point? This is the key point. 1 mole of H2 equal to 2 mole of H. So H2SO4. H2SO4 contain how many hydrogens? 2 hydrogens. That indication number of moles of hydrogen equal to 2. Next to how many sulfur? Only 1 sulfur. Number of moles of sulfur equal to 1. How many oxygens? 4 oxygens. So number of moles of oxygen equal to 4. Clear? This is the logic. Next question. Calculate number of atoms of the constant element in 53 gram of Na2CO होते हैं. So number of atoms find out करना. Number of atoms find out करना बोले तो first number of moles find out करना. Next number of molecules find out करना. Clear ना? Okay. So Na2CO3 molecular weight 106 gram per mole. This is the number of moles formula. Weight by molecular weight. 53 given. 53 by 106 you will get half mole, which means 0.5 mole. Next number of molecules formula N into Na. Half into Na. This is the answer. Next number of atoms. Only number of atoms पूछा तो Na2CO3 contains 6 atoms. So we should multiply this one with 6. But here what was the question? Constant element. ऐसा पूछा ना. So अलग-अलग find out करना. So number of atoms of sodium N into Na into number of sodium atoms, which means N value of Avogadro number into how many sodium? 2 sodium. This is the answer. 2 gets cancelled. You will get Na. Next number of carbon atoms. So only 1 carbon is there. That's the reason you should multiply with Na. So 1. You should multiply with 1. You will get this one. Next number of oxygens 3. That's the reason you should multiply with 3. You will get that one. Clear?